I'm calling this recipe, this one's again from my Juice Chef book. This one's called Liquid Sunshine. And the reason I've called it Liquid Sunshine is look at the colours. We've got orange, we've got the yellow pineapple, and we've got some ginger. So the nutrition that comes from the yellow colour of the pineapple and the orange colour from the oranges combine together, and they're really good phytonutrients for helping you when you're feeling a bit down. Who goes out into the sun and feels unhappy? Nobody. When you're out in the sun, it lifts your mood, you feel really good, you put a smile on your face. That's that feeling that you get from being out in the sunshine. Well, the yellow light and the orange light, when you mix them together in a juice or eating the two colours together, have been shown to help lift your mood. So that's why I've called this one Liquid Sunshine. Now with pineapple, we're going to take off that outside armour. Of course, you wouldn't bite into a pineapple like that, would you? Because that's not going to taste good. So we don't want the flavour of the skin going into the juice either. So let's get rid of that skin. What I love about the concept of the pineapple, and I call it armour, is because it protects the fruit. Pineapples take up to 2 years to ripen once they start fruiting, and so that pineapple needs to withstand the elements of summer, winter, autumn and spring twice as it's growing, so it needs this real protective armour around the outside of it. But what that does for us when we consume it is the nutrients from the pineapple pass that protective energy onto us when we eat them. Cut it up into little squares. Inside the pineapple, right in the middle, there's a tough core, so you want to make sure that you cut it up, and then we can just simply throw it into the juicer. Pineapple contains lots of juice. It presses really easy. And I'll alternate orange, push that down, pineapple, and of course we need some ginger in this one. So let's prepare some ginger. So again, I think about 5 centimetre piece is good. And as I mentioned before, you want to make sure they're about the width of your thumb so that they easily push through and out the juicer. All right, pineapple. If you love ginger like I do, then put a little bit extra in. It'll give a nice little kick. And ginger also helps to preserve the juice. So if you're making a big batch and you want to make 1 litre, 2 litres, 5 litres, and you put it into the fridge and keep it for 3, 4, 5 days, put a little bit extra ginger in. It'll help keep it last longer. Pineapple, oranges. Now, when you throw in the whole fruit, like the whole orange, there's a little safety clip inside that, which is why you need your plunger to push it past. And then it goes through okay. Same with apples, same with pears, same with kiwis. If you're juicing the whole fruits, you just need your plunger to push it through. Have a look how much juice we're making. Half a pineapple, 4 oranges and 1 slice of ginger. And what you can see is, have a look, I'll just turn that off. Look at the ratio of juice to pulp. When you're squeezing and pressing using a cold press juicer, you're not wasting your ingredients. They're not getting spun out into the jug and you could squeeze more juice out of that. That is dry. And that's what we love about a cold press juicer, is it extracts maximum amount of juice, so you get more for your money out of all this beautiful produce that you've purchased. Okay, I'm ready for some liquid sunshine today. There's a thickness to it. People often say that you're extracting the nutrition. This is the undigestible part fibre. It's the undigestible fibre. The soluble fibre, which your body digests, which gets into your bloodstream and is used by the body, is still in the juice. The soluble bits of fibre are still in the juice. So you're not missing out on the nutrition. This extracted part is what we would eliminate if we ate the pineapple and ate the orange. We would squeeze and press with our teeth the nutrition out. The liquid, the juice, goes into our bloodstream and we eliminate the undigestible part of the fibre. So you're not missing out on nutrition, you're actually getting more nutrition, because would you sit down and eat 4 oranges, eat half a pineapple? Probably not, definitely not. So the concentrated form of liquid nutrition that you can get from having a cold press juicer is the reason I love making juice and staying healthy at home. Cheers. That's got a really nice kick of ginger in that one. And the pineapple and the orange have this sweet tang tartness. You're really going to like this juice, I'm sure.